Hello, welcome guys. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to disable print to PDF in Windows 10 PC or laptop. So guys, if you want to disable print PDF, print to PDF in Windows 10 PC, so very easy. Firstly, turn Windows feature on or off. So open this. After scroll down, here option Microsoft Print to PDF. So uncheck this box after clicking on OK. Wait for a while. So guys, this is a very simple and easy method if you want to disable print to PDF in Windows 10 PC or laptop. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for latest updates, and please comment this video useful or not. Thank you for watching this video.